There are about 30 billion Ghana cedis currently under management, of which about 10 billion Ghana cedis is looking for investment in private companies in equity and corporate bond issuances. The private sector hasn't taken advantage of that.
Stock market is a place where companies list themselves to make their shares available to a broad range of investors to purchase these shares. This creates opportunity for businesses to raise their capitals for expansion, and also it brings transparency around the value of your business. In 1993, the Ghana Stock Exchange was the 6th best index performing stock market in the world, with a capital appreciation of 116%. In 1994, it was the best index performing stock market among all emerging markets in the world, gaining 124.3% in its index level. Recently, there are a list of just 37 companies on the Ghana Stock Exchange, and this means that most Ghanaian companies are not taking advantage of the Ghana Stock Exchange. But according to the Deputy Managing Director of Ghana Stock Exchange, Madam Abena Amoah, there is availability of some 10 billion Ghana cedis that people are ready to invest in small and medium-sized companies to help them raise their capitals. So, business owners should please take advantage of this by listing their companies on the Ghana stock market. Let's hear more from Madam Abena Amoah. But before that, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more videos like this.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon. My name is Abena Amoah from the Ghana Stock Exchange. In addition to everything Dr. Maxwell has talked about, I also want to flag that one of the key financing opportunities for businesses is access to equity capital. About 10 years ago, we liberalized our pensions industry. And between Tier 2 and Tier 3 pension sector, there are about 30 billion Ghana cedis currently under management, of which about 10 billion Ghana cedis is looking for investment in private companies in equity and corporate bond issuances. The private sector hasn't taken advantage of that, and we are here to invite them and let them know that there's over 10 billion Ghana cedis currently and growing every day from our private pensions looking for investments in well-run businesses. So I take the opportunity to invite the medium-sized companies here, the large-sized companies here, to take advantage of this long-term financing. Like Chairman, your company, Fun Milk, yesterday we saw Ben's Oil Palm, etc., that are listed on the stock exchange, and to take advantage of this opportunity. The second thing I want to talk about is, in addition to the Credit Reference Bureau, is that we are working with the Ministry of Finance and other stakeholders to come up with a credit rating agency. And the credit rating agency, if corporates take advantage of that, can translate into better pricing of corporate financing for them, be the long-term bonds or bank loans. The banks will use this as a yardstick to be able to say an A-rated company should be able to borrow at a lower cost. So we expect, working with the Ministry of Finance, to come up with a credit rating, a domestic credit rating agency, hopefully next year. And we will encourage all the AGI members, all the corporates in this room, to sign up and be rated and have this reflected in their pricing. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Abena, before you say it, what's the price of your money?
The price of equity investments is linked back to what government, the long-term investor will look at what they will get on the risk-free rate, which goes to a very important point Doc made. They will look at a premium on what that risk-free rate is. So the level of the risk-free rating is important. But the thing with equity investment is that the investor looks at the long-term capacity of the business. They expect the business to be well run, the management to be solid, so that they'll be able to pay dividends. And if those shares are listed on the stock exchange, for overall in the long term, they are priced to appreciate. So that is what the investor in equity is looking at. They are not going to say, here is some equity investment for you every year, I expect 10%. It is long-term patient money because it believes in the future of that business and believes that in the future.
So what you mean is you take a stake in the company?
You take a stake, you take an ownership stake. And I'm glad to see all the large companies in here. And I think it's time they all opened up, give 20 to 30% of a stake in their businesses, invite our pension sector, the Ghanaian investor, to give them this long-term capital. Thank you.
So you put money in, and then you take a stake in the company, and you share the risks involved.
Absolutely.
And you help manage the company as well.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching. Please let us know your thoughts and suggestions inside the comment section below. My name is Sheriff Haruna. May God bless you and see you in our next video. Mackerel.